I was honestly tired of those plastic soap holders. They never lasted long and would eventually crack or break. So this time, I decided to upgrade to a stainless steel double-decker soap holder. I ordered it from Blinkit and, as expected, it arrived in no time. Let's unbox it and see if it's actually worth buying. The soap holder comes in a simple cardboard box from the brand Sedak. The MRP is around Rs 499, but I would recommend buying it only if you can get it for around 250 to 300 rupees. Let's open it up. Inside the box, you get the stainless steel soap holder and a wall mount adhesive sticker. That's all you need. The best part is that you don't have to drill any holes into your bathroom tiles. The adhesive comes with a built-in clip that securely holds the soap holder. It's a simple solution that completely avoids the hassle of drilling and damaging your tiles. Now, let's take a closer look at the holder itself. This is a double-decker soap holder. The upper tray is slightly smaller, while the bottom tray is larger, and both are supported by a sturdy stainless steel frame. The finish looks excellent. It's shiny, premium, and well polished. Even the weld joints are neatly finished, so there are no obvious imperfections. This is where my old soap holder used to be. I tried covering the old drill holes with some wall putty. Not my best work, but it will do for now. Let's peel off the adhesive backing and stick it onto the tile. Take a moment to align it properly before pressing it down firmly. Make sure to squeeze out all the trapped air bubbles, because that helps the adhesive bond much better with the tile surface. Once that's done, simply slide the soap holder into the mounting clip. And that's it. Installation takes just a few seconds and your new soap holder is ready to use. It looks clean, modern, and definitely gives the bathroom a more premium feel. I'm using the Mysore sandal soap here. I'll place the soap I'm currently using on the bottom shelf and keep a spare bar still in its wrapper on the top shelf. I like using it this way because it's almost like a Kanban system. Once the soap on the bottom is finished, I simply move the spare one down and immediately know it's time to order another bar. It's a small habit, but it works really well for me. Overall, I think I picked the right product. The holder does wobble slightly if you deliberately shake it, but during normal use it feels secure. It easily supports the weight of 2 soap bars and I don't expect any issues. If you're looking for a premium looking stainless steel soap holder without drilling holes into your bathroom tiles, this one is definitely worth considering, especially if you can get it for around 250 to 300 rupees. If you're interested, I've added the product link in the description below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.